If you are a Cancer, this is not a coincidence. Before August 20th, an extraordinary event will occur that could change your life. This energy will not be repeated for several years. You may already be feeling it. Strange dreams, sudden emotions, unexpected signs. Don't ignore them. The universe is trying to speak to you. This is your chance to escape misfortune, attract true love, or finally find peace. But it will only happen if you listen before it's too late. Watch it until the end. This could be the message that will change your future. Many of those with the sign of Cancer have been feeling something lately, a strange weight on their hearts. Moments of silence that seem louder than noise, and dreams that are more like warnings than fantasy. This is not your imagination. The universe is changing, and your sign is at the center of it. There is a remarkable event, a powerful omen being prepared for you before August 20th. For those who have believed in its signs that your sign is. For those who are waiting for a miracle, this may be your chance. The energy around Cancer is unmatched in recent years. And for those with an open mind, it can bring blessings in love, money, healing, or fortune. But this message will not remain open forever. You need to understand what is happening and, most importantly, what you should do about it. Keep watching. What you hear next could change everything. Section 3. Deep dive into the sign of Cancer. Cancer. Led by the moon, shaped by emotions and guided by the heart. You are not just any zodiac sign. You are the pulse of the zodiac. Sensitive yet strong. Quiet yet deep as the ocean. When you love, you are your whole soul. And when you are hurt, no one sees the storm you carry inside. Most people don't understand you. But that's okay, you were never meant to be ordinary. You were meant to feel more deeply, and to love with all your heart than anyone else. Your power is limited, and sometimes you feel like carrying it. If recently you've felt distant from others, if you've doubted your worth, your path, or your place in the world, you're not alone. Many Cancers struggle silently. You give everything for others, your time, your love, your energy, and sometimes you feel empty. That's because your soul is preparing for something great. Before every change there is silence. Before every blessing there is a test. And for Cancers, often the test comes through relationships, emotions, and sacrifice. You were born to carry others even when your own arms are tired. But now the universe is changing, and it is finally returning the light to you. The moon, your planet, is entering a rare energetic phase. This only happens once every few years. It means you don't just feel emotional energy. You are also called spiritual. There is an awakening that is being stirred in your soul. A sense of purpose, clarity, and intuition. You may have noticed this by seeing numbers repeatedly, dreaming about someone you haven't spoken to in a while, or suddenly getting emotional for no reason. This is not an accident. These are signs. Filipinos born under Cancer are especially sensitive to this change. Why? Because Filipino culture is rooted in emotions, family, and faith like the Cancer soul. You care for others. You sacrifice. You hold on even when it hurts. That's why the impact of this unique cosmic moment is stronger, and the power it will carry across to others is greater. But here's the secret: not everyone will recognize this energy. Some will just reveal it. Others will feel it but not know what to do. Only a few truly awakened ones will rise with it, and Cancer, if you keep watching, you are one of the chosen few. This is your time to stop hiding your light. Stop being complacent. Stop giving your best to those who don't appreciate it. There is something called healing, abundance, and alignment. But you must accept it. You must prepare your heart, home, and mind. Because what happens before August 20th will not only test your faith. It may reward you with more than you ever thought possible. You have always believed that your time would come. Perhaps this is it. Section. What is the rare prediction of the main event? What will happen before August 20th is unlike any cosmic event Cancer has experienced in many years. The universe is preparing a rare convergence, a powerful moment in the sky that will profoundly affect your emotions, intuition, and destiny. This is not just ordinary astrology. This is a cosmic signal, an opportunity to reset your life path and open up hidden opportunities. For moon-ruled Cancer, emotions are not just feelings. They are messages from the universe. And now the Moon is working with other planets like Saturn and Neptune to create an energetic vortex of change. Saturn brings challenges but also discipline and lessons learned over time. Neptune revives your dreams, your spiritual side, and sometimes illusions. It encourages you to look beyond the surface. Together they resonate in a way that opens the door to hidden truths and new beginnings. You may feel a sudden surge of emotions, a mix of hope, fear, excitement, and mystery. This hiss is a cosmic nudge. It urges you to pay attention to the subtle signs around you. Perhaps you are seeing repeating numbers like 100 or 77 and 7, or hearing songs on the radio that seem to speak directly to your heart. These are not accidents. This is the way the possessed person communicates with you. Before August 20th, this energy will reach its peak. It is as if the heavens themselves are sending you a message. This rare event will affect your relationships, financial fortunes, and spiritual growth. For some, it may bring a surprising reunion with a loved one or an unexpected opportunity that will change your career. For others, it may be a moment of profound personal enlightenment. You will finally understand your purpose or the next step on your journey. So you need to prepare yourself. Clear your mind of negativity and open your heart. Write in a journal what you are feeling. Meditate to connect with your inner self and pray or send positive intentions. Filipino culture understands the power of faith and prayer, and this cosmic moment asks you to combine spiritual work with cosmic awareness. Many Cancers in the Philippines will feel this shift deeply because your emotional and cultural roots make you uniquely receptive to this energy. This rare cosmic event is rooted in the values of family, loyalty, and hope, pillars that many Filipino Cancers hold dear. Remember, this is not about luck or chance alone. It is about readiness and openness. If you close yourself off or deny your feelings, the opportunity may pass. But if you embrace it, your life can change for the better, filled with love, healing, and abundance. So watch carefully, Cancer. The days leading up to August 20th are your invitation to enter a new phase. This is your moment, rare, powerful, and full of potential. Section 5. Cancer and the Philippines. A match of destiny. Cancer, your story is not only connected to the stars but also to the spirit of the Filipino people. There is a unique connection between your emotional strength and the heart of Filipino culture. This connection makes the cosmic event that will take place before August 20th all the more powerful and personal for you. Filipinos value family above all else, just as Cancer values and fiercely defends loved ones. The sacrifices you make, the love you give, and the loyalty you show reflect the spirit of solidarity and caring that prevails in Filipino culture. Your depth of feeling is a strength that helps you overcome life's challenges, especially in a country where faith and resilience go hand in hand. In the Philippines, many believe in signs and superstitions. From superstition to fervent prayer, the Filipino soul is open to mystical messages. This means that you are not only experiencing a change within yourself, but are also part of a broader spiritual awakening taking place in the country. The timing of this cosmic shift is in line with the Filipino tradition of hope, resurrection, and trust in destiny. Legends from Nostradamus and Baba Vanga speak of cycles and events that affect many. But your sign, Cancer, is best attuned to the subtle energies that precede these changes. If you have ever been drawn to mystery or trusted the whispers of your dreams, you are ready to receive the guidance that this rare event brings. You may feel drawn to revisit old memories, reconnect with family members, or participate in traditions that remind you of your roots and faith. These moments are signs that your destiny is being shaped by your cultural identity and the energies of the zodiac. This cosmic event is not just a personal awakening. It is also a collective call for healing and growth. As a Cancer living in the Philippines, you carry the power of both the stars and your heritage. Embrace this rare connection. This is your invitation to walk with confidence, love, and purpose. Section 6. What should you do? Action Sign Supplement Guide. Cancer. Now that you understand the powerful cosmic shift coming before August 20th, it is time to prepare your mind, body, and spirit. This rare interpretation is an invitation. But to fully receive its blessings, you must take intentional steps. This is not just waiting for luck. It is actively opening the door within you for the gifts of the universe to flow freely. 1. Clear your mind of negativity. You may have been carrying around old wounds, doubts, or fears for too long. Take a few moments each day to breathe deeply and let go of heavy thoughts. Meditation or silent contemplation can help you reconnect with your inner self. The Filipino tradition of meditation is a powerful way to quiet the chaotic mind and listen to the true desires of the heart. 2. Write in a journal what you are feeling. Recording your dreams, fears, and hopes helps you process emotions and understand the subtle messages of the one you are holding. Don't judge what you are writing. Let it flow naturally. Sometimes the clarity that emerges when you put your heart on paper is surprising. 3. Pray or send positive intentions. Filipino culture has a deep respect for faith and spirituality. Whether it is praying to God through saints or silently talking to God, ask for guidance, protection, and courage to embrace the changes that are coming. Remember that faith is not just belief. It is action shaped by hope. 4. Notice signs and synchronicities. Observe the little things. Repeated numbers and 88 strange encounters or meaningful passions. These are cosmic signals that are guiding you. Prepare a small notebook or use your phone to record these moments. 5. Prepare your physical space. Cleanse your home or room to invite fresh energy. Light candles, burn incense, or use calming and uplifting essential oils like lavender or jasmine. These rituals create a sacred environment where your spirit can rest and recharge. 6. Visualize your desired future. Think about the life you want to achieve after August 20th. Picture yourself surrounded by love, success, and peace. Feel the emotions as if they are happening now. Contemplating the image of success is a powerful tool to attract your true desires and channel your energy into the flow of the universe. 7. Use your lucky colors and numbers. For Cancer, the colors silver, white, and blue help deepen intuition and quiet the mind. The numbers 2, 7, and 9 are considered lucky numbers and may appear during this time. Incorporate them into your clothing, accessories, or daily routine to strengthen your connection to cosmic energy. 8. Practice affirmations. Simple, positive statements that you can say daily to build trust and faith. For example, I am ready to receive the blessings the universe sends me. I trust my intuition and follow its guidance. I open my heart to love, healing, and abundance. Say them out loud, write them down, or repeat them silently. Your words shape your reality. Remember, Cancer, the rare moment before August 20th is your opportunity to step into your true power. With these steps, you are not just waiting for change. You are creating it. Your soul has prepared this time for you, and now is your time to shine. Trust the process. Trust yourself and embrace the beautiful change that awaits you. Section 7. Climatic Message. Cancer, this moment you are standing on is not just another day on the calendar. It is a cosmic crossroads, a point where your past, present, and future converge. What will happen before August 20th is not just astrology. It is a call from the universe, a whisper from the stars urging you to wake up. You have been silently carrying your burdens. You have hidden your true feelings and sacrificed so much for those you love. But now, the universe is turning its gaze on you. This rare alignment is no accident. It is a divine invitation to step out of the shadows and into your own light. Legends and prophecies from valiant seers like Adamus and Baba Vanga speak of moments when the stars align to open the doors of destiny. Moments that change lives forever. This is such a moment for you, Cancer. The rare energy approaching you brings the power to heal old wounds, ignite new passions, and clarify your path. Imagine standing under a sky filled with stars. Each one is a sign of hope, guidance, and infinite possibility. This is your night. This is your moment to believe in miracles, trust your intuition, and embrace the unknown with courage. The universe has been quietly preparing you with gentle nudges and mysterious signs. Now, it asks for your courage to listen, your faith to trust, and your heart to open completely. Remember, the most miraculous journeys often begin with uncertainty, but end with the most beautiful destinations. Your story is far from over. In fact, a new chapter is about to begin. So, Cancer, take a deep breath. Feel the power within you and step forward with hope. This rare occurrence before August 20th could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Trust the stars. Trust yourself and most of all trust the magic of this moment. Before you go, Cancer, If this message has touched your heart or awakened something within you, don't hold it back for yourself. Share this video with friends or family who may also need to hear this rare message. Comment below with your birthday or your story as a Cancer. Let's create a community that supports each other during this powerful time. Your experience matters. If you want to stay connected and receive more guidance about astrology, destiny, and spiritual awakening, subscribe to this Point Taken channel and press